Hello everyone, this is Adit from Team Mastering Web and today we're going to take a look at target market selection. Let's get started. In the bustling world of business, understanding your target market is paramount to success. A target market is a specific group of consumers identified as the most likely buyer of a company's product or service. It's like aiming your marketing efforts at a specific bullseye rather than firing blindly into the crowd. Here are all the modules which will be covered. By the end of the course, you will be able to develop the ability to analyze market data, identify trends, and segment customer based on various criteria, and critically evaluate market opportunities and assess the feasibility of targeting specific segments. Make informed decisions regarding target market selection based on data analysis and strategic considerations, and understand the importance of evaluating market attractiveness, competitive advantage, and potential risks. Effectively communicate their target market selection, resonate and supporting data to others, and develop the ability to present market research findings and persuasive arguments in a clear and concise manner. Develop marketing plans for hypothetical products or services and gain practical experience in conducting market research, analyzing data, and creating customer profiles. Target market selection. Target market selection is the crucial process of identifying and choosing the specific group of customers that a business aims to sell its product or services to. This involves dividing the overall market into smaller segments based on factors like demographics, psychographics, and behavior. Businesses then evaluate each segment's attractiveness, considering factors like size, growth potential, profitability, and other competition. By focusing their marketing and sales effort on the most promising segments, businesses can allocate resources efficiently, tailor their market messages for maximum impact, build stronger customer relationships, and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Here are a few advantages of market selection: increase sales and revenue. By focusing on the most receptive audience, businesses can significantly increase the chance of converting leads into paying customers, driving revenue growth. Improve marketing ROI. Targeting the right audience allows you to allocate your marketing budget more efficiently, maximize the return on investment. Enhanced customer acquisition. Understanding your ideal customer allows you to develop targeted campaigns that attract the most valuable customers to your business. Strong customer relationship. By understanding your target market's needs and preferences, you can build stronger, more meaningful relationships with your customers, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Competitive differentiation. By identifying a niche, market, or a specific segment with a unique needs, you can differentiate your business from competitors and establish a strong market position. Target market selection is crucial because it allows businesses to focus their efforts and resources effectively. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, which is often inefficient and costly, they can concentrate on the specific group of people most likely to be interested in and purchase their product or services. This leads to more efficient use of marketing budget. By targeting specific segments, businesses can tailor their marketing messages and channels to reach the right audience, maximizing their return on investment. Increased sales and revenue. By focusing on the most receptive audience, businesses can significantly increase their chances of converting leads into paying customers. Improved customer relationship. Understanding your target market allows you to build stronger relationships with your customers, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Competitive advantage. By identifying a niche market or a specific segment with unique needs, businesses can differentiate themselves from competitors and establish a strong market position. Guide. A template or a guide for market selection is crucial for several reasons. It provides a structured framework that ensures all key aspects of the process are considered, from market research and segmentation to evaluation and selection. This systematic approach not only saves time and resources, but also improves decision making by providing a clear framework for evaluating potential target markets and reduces biasness. Furthermore, a template facilitates collaboration among team members, improves communication within the organization, and enables continuous improvement by allowing businesses to track the results of their market selection decision and refine their approach over time. Ultimately, a well-defined guide provides a roadmap for successful market selection, helping businesses make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and increase their chances of success. Here are things that you need to keep in mind while making a market selection. First, define your business goal. Clearly defining your business goals provide a roadmap for all subsequent decisions. It ensures your efforts are aligned with your overall vision and helps prioritize initiatives based on their contribution to your objectives. What are your primary objectives? Increase revenue, gain market share, build brand awareness, launch a new product. What are your long-term aspirations? Sustainable growth, industry leadership, global expansion. Next step is to conduct market research. Market research provides the foundation of all subsequent steps. It helps you understand the industry landscape, identify potential opportunities and threats, and gain deep insights into customer needs and behaviors. Industry analysis, market size and growth potential, competitive landscape, industry trends and challenges, technological advancements. Customer segmentation, demographics, age, gender, income, education, location, family size. Psychographics, lifestyle, interests, values, personalities, attitudes. Behavioral, purchase behavior, usage patterns, brand loyalty, spending habits. Need spaces, problems, desires, motivations. Next step is to identify potential target markets. This step helps narrow down your focus to the most promising market segments. By evaluating market attractiveness and your competitive advantages, you can identify segments where you are most likely to succeed. Market attractiveness, size and growth potential, profitability, accessibility. Competitive advantages, USPs or unique selling propositions. Competitive strengths, ability to serve the market effectively. Next step is to evaluate and prioritize target markets. This stage involves a thorough assessment of each potential target market. SWOT analysis and competitive analysis helps you identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, while evaluating market entry barriers helps you anticipate and mitigate potential challenges. SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Competitive analysis, direct and indirect competitors, competitive advantages and disadvantages. Market entry barrier, legal, regularities, technological, financial. Next step is develop target market profiles. Creating detailed customer profiles and buyer's persona helps you understand your ideal customers on a deeper level. This information is crucial for tailoring your market messages, products, and services to resonate specifically with their needs and preferences. Creating detailed description of your ideal customers include demographics, psychographics, behavioral characteristics. Develop buyer's persona. Create financial fiction representation of your ideal customers to understand their needs and motivations. Final step is to test and refine. Market testing provides valuable feedback on the effectiveness of your chosen target market. Gathering feedback from potential customers and continuously monitoring market trends allows you to make data-driven adjustments and refine your target strategies. Conduct market testing. Launch pilot programs or small-scale campaigns to test your assumptions. Gather feedback from potential customers. Monitor and adjust. Continuously track market trends and customer behavior. Make adjustments to your target market selection as needed. Key considerations to look out for are niche markets. Focus on a specific segment with unique needs and preferences. Can offer high profit margins and reduce competition. Mass markets. Target a large market, broad audience, requires significant resources, and may face intense competition. Multi-segment targeting. Target multiple market segments with different marketing messages and strategies. Customer lifetime value or CLTV. Focus on acquiring and retaining high-value customers. Let's now take a look at few examples, starting with Coca-Cola Share a Coke campaign. Coca-Cola faced declining sales and needs to reconnect with younger customers. Target market selection. They identified millennials as their primary target audience, recognizing their desire for personalization and social connection. Outcome. The Share a Coke campaign, which replaced the iconic logo with popular names on the bottles and cans, resonated strongly with millennials. It increased sales, generated significant social media buzz, and revitalized the Coca-Cola brand. Next is Tesla's focus on early adopters. Challenge: Tesla entered a nascent electric vehicle market with high-priced, innovative technology. Target market selection: They initially focused on early adopters, tech-savvy, environmentally conscious customers willing to embrace new technology and pay a premium for it. Outcome: By targeting this segment, Tesla built brand loyalty, generated early buzz, and gathered valuable data on customer preferences, which informed subsequent product development and market expansion. The final example we're going to take a look at is of Lululemon's focus on women's wellness. Challenge: To differentiate itself from the competitive athletic apparel market. Target market selection: Lululemon identified a niche market of active, healthy, health-conscious women who prioritize quality, style, and community. They positioned themselves as more than just an apparel brand, focusing on creating a lifestyle brand that supports women's wellness journeys. Outcomes: Lululemon successfully carved out a unique niche and built a loyal following among women who value both performance and style in their athletic wear. These case studies demonstrate how effective target market selection can significantly impact a company's success. By carefully identifying and understanding their ideal customers, these companies were able to tailor their marketing efforts, product offerings, and brand positioning to achieve significant growth and market leadership. Effective target market selection is a crucial component of any successful marketing strategy. By carefully identifying and understanding the specific group of customers most likely to be interested in their product or services, businesses can optimize their marketing efforts, increase sales, build stronger customer relationships, and gain a competitive edge. This involves a thorough understanding of customer needs and preferences, conducting in depth market research, and continuously monitoring and adapting to changing market dynamics. By focusing on the right audience, businesses can maximize their return on investments, build lasting customer relationships, and achieve sustainable growth in today's competitive landscape. With this, we have now come to an end. I hope you understand target market selection in a better way. This is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and thank you for watching.